Emzimkhulu wezorhathe Auckland Park eJohannesburg lapho esikhathela zona bunqopha ngesindebele.
The revolution is under a genuine threat of disruption.
Betrayal is not the end of the revolution.
I-EFF ibambe iconference yehlandla lesithathu yokukhetha ubuholi obutsha eNasrec eJohannesburg.
We will therefore continue to fight for the unity of the alliance and the movement as a whole.
Sekela likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi SACP ayibuye basebenzele umphakathi ndawonye.
Sijabule kakhulu ke department ukuthi sikhulume nabo futhi ukuthi ufuna abathiphathe njani bahambe bothiphatha kahle bende sure ukuthi ba defender bahlali base South Africa.
Aziqedile imfundo zokuba amapholisa wendlela amapholisa angaphezulu kwama-46 eMpumalanga. Siyaloshisa emakhaya hlalele eduze sifike nendaba ngokuphelela kwazo. Ihlangano yesine ngobukhulu i-Economic Freedom Fighters ibambe umbuthano wehlandla lesithathu wokukhethwa kobuholi obutsha eNasrec eJohannesburg. Umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi yena uzokuthembeka ehlanganweni bekube sekupheleni kwempilo yakhe. Umhlangano lo uthoma izolo kanti uyokuphela ngosonto. Umbikindaba wethu Comfort Masombuka useNasrec ukusilethela zona zisatshisa. Siphosa indambo kuye eNasrec. Masombuka nanzu indambo.
Ahake Thandeka Ndomba kwamabona ngiyathokoza ngiyazamukela indambo kuwe ngikhona la eNasrec Expo Center eSewula Jingalanga eJohannesburg ekusesengilo ilanga lapha ke iphasi lonke nenaga zombelele babeke ilihlo libukhali qalwe ihlangano yezepolitiki iEFF njengombana kuyi conference yayo ihlandla lesithathu solo yasungulwako ngomnyaka ka2013 kanti ke kileli hlandla ke le conference ibanjwa nje ngekokthoma lapho khona ke itshengise khona ke ukugedla solo yaba khona ngoba uzakhumbula ukuthi ke kusungulweni kwayo yabonakala ihlangane namandla begoduke enekani ibonakala lapha ke ihlangana nezinye ezingeziphambili begodu ezingezikulu eziphikisako elizweni zombelele kodwa na kuleli khetho esibuya kilo ibonakala ngathi ifuna ukugedla kancazana ke nokho ke kanti ke ekusungulweni kwayo ke njengezinye inhlangano zepolitiki nayo lapha nalapha yakhamba banenshijule ehlangabezana nazo khulukhulu ke ngokuchiwa ngamanye wamalunga wayo akhamba aheru kuzakhumbula emvale kwakhamba abanye ekhabe bakhona na isungulwaka abafana nabo Kenny Kunene kwakhamba nabanye abafana nabo Dali Mpofu bakhambile emhlapha njengokunjalo nesekela lika lomholi wayo uFloyd Shivambu naye usanda ukukhamba kanti ke njenganje nokho ke ukuragela phambili necozululo la sikhona angikhambi ngedwa la ngijame khona ngikhambisana naye lapha ke uVusi Gumbi omcozululi ovela lapha ke eUniversity eJohannesburg ukhona nangula ungachidela mntwana kwethu siyakwamukela la endabeni zesindebele ku SABC 1 begodzi siyakulochisa.
No ngiyabonga baba ngithi ngivulise nababukeli emakhaya.
Aha nasi EFF ibonakala ibamba iconference ehlandla lesithathu ungathanda ukuthini icozululo lakho malungana neconference le begodu njengoba kubonakala ngasuthi ikhambi banenchijilo ama challenges lapha nalapha.
Nokubalekile ukuthi sibheke ukuthi lo mbutho wayo EFF ukuze bafike la kwenzakaleni njengoba besazi ukuthi kuyokuba nama elections earlier this year and it was the first time since the inception of the EFF ukuba ukuthi wona lo mbutho wayo EFF uluze ama votes for the first time emva kwaloko njengoba sochazile kubabukela emakhaya ukuthi kuyokulandela ukuthi kuhambe abaholi bayo iEFF abafana no Floyd Shivambu Dali Mpofu advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane leyo ke icontext ekubeni ukuthi iEFF izithola kuyo njengoba ila simbonile na umholi wayo uJulius Malema ukuthi ngale ndlela leseyijwayele kumuntu imudi yakhe phezulu umuntu othi noma akhuluma ngesilungu bathi is a firebrand leader abe vibrant noma akhuluma umoya wakhe wawuphansi at some point during towards the end of his speech futhi wakhipha nenyembezi iyachaza lento le ukuthi okwamanje umbutho wayo uEFF usendaweni ekubethini it's challenging times. It's ngesilungu bake bathi it's a watershed conference for the EFF, and ekubalekile ukuthi as umbutho bakwazi ukuthi bahlangane ukutshengisa umphakathi neningizimu Afrika yonke jikelele ukuthi despite the fact ukuthi sebahambile uFloyd Shivambu nalabo abanye sobabalile kodwa wona umbutho usamile. Kubalekile ukuthi kuyona le nkomfa lena despite the election of ama leaders azokhethwa kusasa and namapolicy abazowa adopta kusasa, yona as a political party umbuso lo we-EFF uhlangana kanjani ekubeni ukuthi abantu emphakathini bayibone still a vehicle engakhulumela abantu ekubethini bahluphekile. Okwamanje siyazi ukuthi the MK party iloku ithatha all these leaders, so kubalekile ukuthi this political party njengoba balaba hlangene kuze amagatsha ahlukahlukene from iningizimu Afrika yonkana, kubalekile ukuthi mabahamba la Sunday ntambama bahambe la bayimbumba. Khona manje abantu bazibuzisa ukuba umbuyiseni Ndlozi kungana ngekho lana ekubeni umuntu ekubeni one of the most senior leaders, a very famous leader. Abantu bayazibuza ukuthi kungani angekho lana. Yizo izinto lezi lona leqembu le-EFF ekumele ibhekane nazo ukuze abantu bazokwazi ukuthi babe nogcuzo futhi babe nebelief ukuthi wona lombuso lombutho lo we-EFF kusawumbutho ongakhulumela abantu abansundu, abantu abahluphekile ukuthi even though they might have lost amavote anyana kulama elections asedlulile, even though sekuhambe bona abaholi kodwa kusaso umbutho lo osakhulumela abantu samile. So I think it's very important ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bahlangane kuyona le nkomfa le.
Ngiyakuzwa Mhlonishwa, usaphethe lezo zama structures namkhaze njamiso zakhona ze-EFF ke phambilini nakethula inkulumo yakhe namhlanje yena umholi we-EFF ubaba uJulius Malema uveze nokuthi bahlela ukuphadlalatsha iphiko labatsha lehlangano le-EFF, angithi ke mina labafundi le-EFF bese bazolenza lelutsha le-EFF. Ungakusicozululele ukuthi kuthi ukuthini lokho begodu ke kubangelwa yini?
Logo kubangelwa ukuthi, remember uJulius Malema, when he rised in politics, he rised as a youth leader in the ANC. Manje EFF mayisungulwa ngomhla ka 2013, it was only the mother body, the EFF, and then the student command. Manje kune gap in the middle where kunentsha eningi engekho kuma universities or institutions of higher learning. Manje that a crop of young people eMzansi Africa ayina ma platform within the EFF engakhuluma ngayo izinto efuna ukuthi zishintshwe eMzansi Africa. Manje mababhidliza i-student command bayivulelela to the youth command, babiza lonke ulutsha ukuba ukuthini the student command is not only going to be about students but it's going to be about young people, ukuze ukuthini wonke umuntu omncane la eSouth Africa abe nezwi ngaphakathi kwi-EFF njengoba naye wakhula kanjalo in the ranks of the ANC.
Mhlonishwa, siyathokoza isikhathi sakho. Ngumhlonishwa nguVusi Gumbo vela eUJ lapha ke eUniversity eJohannesburg omcozululo wezepolitiki besikhambisana naye la. Kanti ke njenganje ukuthatha kafeaturesana ngokwenzekako la ngamehlo engcondo ke kusaphunyiwe abantu basahlezi ngaphandle basaledlile. Kanti ke kulindeleke ukuthi ke nokho kuvotwe namhlanje namkha kusasa kukabe ukukhanya kuhle ukuthi kuzokuvota nini. Ngavotwa namhlanje ekhambeni kwesikhathi namkha kuvote kusasa, bese ke kusasa ngemva kwamadina kulindeleke ukuthi ke kuphume imiphumela, bese ke ngosonto ubuholo obutsha buzokhuluma nembiki indaba. Ngisese la eNazareth Expo Center, ngibuyela estudio eOakland Park. Ukhona uThandeka isibebhe sale majaleni uzokuragela lapha nawe phambili nendaba.
Sithokoze Masombuka nguComfort Masombuka oseNazareth. Kanti indaba nazenjalo umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema nabekayithula inkulumo yakhe econferencini uthi isiqubulo seconference le kuvikela kwakhiwe ngobutsha bekuvuselelwe ukulwelwa kwekululeko ngale kokulahlekelwa amavoti ngemva kokusungulwa kwehlangano umkhonto wesizwe party. Ihlangano le ilahlekelwe ngamanye amalunga wayo ngaphambi kokubanjwa kweconference yokukhetha ubuholo obutsha. uMalema uthi ihlangano le iyasahlelwa.
uMalema uthi iconference le yenzeka ngesikhathi ihlangano le iqalene nokulahlekelwa amavoti nokusoziswa. Uthi elinye nelinye ilunga le-EFF kufanele livikele ihlangano le, kanti bawosopolitiki engeze basusa amehlo ekutheni imikhakha emikhulu ilawulwe mbuso, ukubuyisa kwenarha kunye nokulawulwa mbuso kwembhanka, imayini neminye imikhakha eqhakathekileko.
For the first time, the revolution is under a genuine threat of disruption that risks delaying our freedom for generations to come.
umalema uthi i-EFF iragela phambili nokulwela isitshaba.
We refuse to fold our arms and turn a blind eye when the living conditions of our people continue to deteriorate.
Usihlalo we-EFF eGauteng uNkululeko Dunga uthi ngemva kweconference le i-EFF izokubuya ngamandla.
The recent departure of some leaders who prioritized selfish ambition over the collective liberation of our people served as a reminder of the obstacles we face and continue to face in our revolutionary journey. Betrayal is not the end of the revolution.
uDunga ongezelele ngokuthi ukukhamba kwamanye amalunga wehlangano le akuthi kuphela kwehlangano le.
Sebefisile bethi lo mcimbi ke kuphumelele kodwa wenzekile.
Sekela kaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile ukhumbuze i-SACP ukuthi isivumelwano sabo sokusebenzisana sifike njani lapha sikhona namhlanje. Mashatile uveze lokhu nabekethula inkulumo emhlanganweni okhethekileko wehlandla lesihlanu wengikhulu eziphezulu zehlangano le ebebanjelwe eBeachwood Hotel eJohannesburg namhlanje.
I-SACP ithethe isiqunto sokuthi ngo-2026 izokungenela amakhetho izijamele yodwa. Emhlanganweni wanamhlanje lo, uMashatile uthome ngokuhlathulula indlela umbuso webumbano wasungulwa ngayo. Uthi ukuloba kwe-ANC amavoti amaningi emakhethweni wangumkhayili kubathusile, kanti uthi ihlangano le isungule ihlelo lokuzihlolisisa nokuzivuselela.
We will therefore continue to fight for the unity of the alliance and the movement as a whole. And this we must do in honor of those who were imprisoned, who were maimed, and some who lost their lives for the attainment of this freedom and democracy.
uMashatile urage wathi kufuze balwele ukuvuselela isivumelwano sabo sokusebenzisana nokwakhiwa ngobutsha kwamahlelo wabo. Uthi inhlangano ezizombili kufanele zisekelane bezisebenzele imiphakathi.
The successful implementation of our renewal program will be measured on how we respond to the challenges of poverty, unemployment and inequality. Our success will be measured by the interventions we are making in the delivery of basic services.
Kwelinye igadango uMashatile uthembisa umndeni kaChris Hani kunye ne-SACP ukuthi kuzokuphenywa ukubulawa kukaChris Hani. Wangezelela ngokuthi impilo nomlando kaChris Hani uzokuhlolwa phasi ngendlela efaneleko.
Nasibuye Ndolo.
1, 2, 3.
Bayomdlela ngikhaya uChristmas abantu beplasini leLoopsprite abakhelwe izindlu emayini kokubambisana nomasipalata weThemsile Hani eMpumalanga. Sisaphethe indaba ngesindebele na uqeda ukungena siyakwamkela kazi indaba ezinazi kuphundile kuyazifumana ku YouTube, ku Facebook na ku SABC+. Amapholisa wendlela esele aqedile ukuthwasiswa eMpumalanga akhonjelwe bona ajamele kude nobukhohlakali. Umsebenzi wabo kube kuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwendlela. Amajuma 46 amapholisa aphasileko ebekathwasiswa eCollege yamapholisa wendlela yeMpumalanga eMkhuhlu namhlanje. Amapholisa wendlela la ayokuthoma ukusebenza ekuthomeni kwenyanga kaTjhirhweni ngo-2025.
Umnyanya wokuqeda ukuthwasisa ikampeni yamapholisa wendlela okutsho ukuthi sebayokuthomisa ukusebenza endleleni. Umsebenzi wabo kuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwendlela. Nabanje bancamile nabo ukuthi sebayokusebenza ngokuzinikela.
We're looking forward to going on the road and serving our community.
Basidudelile kakhulu ukuthi sizame ukuthi sigome ama-accidents lakhona.
Baqeda nje ukuthwasisa ukube kanti isifunda seGauteng sijame ngenyawo ngejima lezokuphepha endleleni. Bevele sekathayela amapholisa wendlela ngenxa yokuthi amanye athathe umhlala phasi amanye ngaqothwako.
Sijabule kakhulu ke si-department ukuthi sikhulume nabo futhi ukuthi kufuna abathiphathe njani bahambe botiphatha kahle bende sure ukuthi badefender bahlali base South Africa.
Zandile inkolo yezikhamba endleleni esifundeni esingempela veke edele zingaphezulu kwama700 iinkhulu zamapholisa wendlela azokuthunyela endleleni ezikulu ngama-holiday wokuphela komnyaka la.
Sifuna kube sure ukuthi uma kufika January sifika kubonakala ukuthi ingoti emgwaqeni siphungulile. Asifuna ukuthi phungula kuphela, sifuna ukuthi qedza.
Kulindeleke ukuthi sikhuphuke ngempela veke ezako isibalo senkoloyi ezikhamba endleleni ezikulu.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi naku aqedile phela ekholeji amapholisa wendlela amatsha eMpumalanga. Alo adoswe ngendlebe ukuthi angathomi yenze ubukhohlakala emsebenzini. Asizobona uphefumule wathini.
Ngaba ngcono mhlamba amaphoyisa baholiswa imali engconywana at least ngeke bakwazi ukufumbathiswa.
Amaphoyisa wendlela athanda imali khulu, ama-traffic cop.
Andiwakhuthazi nami amagosa ezendlela anyanzelise umthetho anqande zonke ingozi ezinothinteleka.
Phasi ngokufunjathiswa abantu nawo mhlambe umthetho wendlela ababotshwe.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. uChristmas uyifikele ngaphambi kwesikhathi imindeni emithathu yeLoopsprite enikelwe ngezindlu. Leli lijima likamasipalata weThemsilehani ngokubambisana nenkampani yemayini HCI Resources. Imindeni efumene izindlu ezi ngehlakako ebeyihlala endaweni engasihle.
1 2 3
Imindeni le ithabela ukufumana izindlu ezitsha ebanikelwe zona eLoopsprite nganga kwamhlanga. Isikhulu se-HCI uPeter Tarablanche uthi yabathokozisa kuba ingcenye ehlelweni.
These projects are actually so nice to do. It's actually something good to do. So you do it with passion. So you know, that's why I say we're very proud. And now every day that we can travel here, we'll be proud of these houses. And the beneficiaries will see if you look after these houses. So please look after them.
Umasipala weThemsilehani uthi mnenge imndeni sazokuzuza.
I would really like to appreciate, even with myself, I'm lost of words. I don't know, like even what to say, like seeing our community members, so from the bottom of our hearts, we are really grateful. Even in other awards, we are hoping that the same will also apply.
Imndeni ezuzileko ithokoza iqede.
We really appreciate it. Like we have come so far, like to witness this. It has never happened. So in the history, we like to say thank you and please continue to, like, you know, doing those little things. They mean so much to us.
Imndeni ithi izakhe ifane nabanye abantu nayo nakuthiwa Christmas box nayo itsho njalo ingendlini. Indabeni ze-SABC Philemon Skosana eJohannesburg.
Asiyenge kwekwezini ehlelweni izibuya nabazumi akwande Masango.
Thandeka siyathokoza ukusiboleka indambo namhlanje ehlelweni izibuya nabazumi lihlelo lokugcina kuya ngekhalenda ka2024 silibeka phasi ihlelo manje ke siyokuthokoza abalaleli ichebiswano nalabo ke ebekade basicozululela basinikela nengiyeleliso ukuthi ihlelo likwazi ukubanga lendlela ebekade lingakho. Okuningi okuzobe kwenzeka ehlelweni abalaleli sebaza kufuyana kusukela imizuzu 5 ngemva kwe-hour lesithandathu. Sithokoze.
Singaphika nazo indaba angabafika uChristmas abalanye ngunibijari phela veke emnandi nephephileko.